Welcome back to Lewis Life Outdoors. Haven't made a video in a while. For those of you who don't know, I went out on my own. I'm doing my own thing now, working for myself. Country roads equipment repair. Today I'm working on a John Deere 450C. Here's the machine. A little bit of an oil cooler job, water pump job. We got to put a new alternator on it, and right now I just got it fired up and I'm getting ready to flush the coolant system a little bit. Might not be able to hear me too well because I got to leave the machine run, but basically what I'm doing right now, this customer, he had a problem. He was getting engine oil into the radiator. On these machines, it's pretty common. The oil cooler sits right underneath of the oil filter housing, which is right here. It's got two coolant lines running to it to go up, and they go into the front of the back side of the water pump there. And then, so we put a new water pump on it, new oil cooler, and now I'm flushing the radiator out. And I put some Cascade dish liquid down in there. Actually, the Cascade Sparkles, Cascade Complete. Oil coolers down here underneath the filter base. New water pump. We did new upper and lower radiator hoses. All new hoses to the oil cooler lines down in here. Changed this fuel filter. Did a service on the machine, and also fixed a couple fuel leaks he had over here on some return lines. Pretty nice old machine for what it is. Anyway, I'm going to try to start making more videos like this. I haven't been up to them here lately, but if the video was helpful, hopefully it was. It's kind of more just information on what I'm doing today, but if it was helpful, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Lewis Life Outdoors.